Hello friends. Welcome to Funtastic Learning. This is our third video of the tutorial Cloud Fundamentals. Please make sure you watch our first two videos before you watch our third video. Links of our first two videos are available in description section of this video. In this video, we will learn 1. Virtualization Concepts. 2. What is a hypervisor? 3. Types of a hypervisor. Let's learn virtualization concept. Virtualization is software layer which runs over a physical server or OS of a server to create multiple servers. These multiple servers are called as virtual machine or VM. VM reduces need of number of physical server. You can create as many as virtual machines you want and run any OS on top of it. Virtualization creates the virtual hardware for VM. Each VM can be configured with different parameters. For example, we can configure VM1 with 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU, and 30 GB hard disk. Whereas VM2 can be configured with 2 GB RAM, 2 CPU and 100 GB hard disk. Or with any configuration we want. One thing we must understand that, total virtual machines capacity is always less than that of total physical server capacity. Also, this virtualization software is called as hypervisor. Hypervisor is software that creates the virtualization layer, and it is hypervisor that makes server virtualization possible. It has its own kernel and virtual machine monitor, it runs VM, controls resource allocation between virtual machine. Hypervisors are of two types. Type 1 hypervisor and Type 2 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor runs directly on the hardware, also known as bare metal hypervisor. For example, VMware SC, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Red Hat KVM, etc. Type 2 hypervisor runs on OS. For example, Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Fusion, etc. Type 1 hypervisors has good performance and are widely used for enterprise solutions. Whereas Type 2 hypervisors are used for study or test purpose. In this video we discuss solely on virtualization. We will soon come up for virtualization tutorial. In case you don't understand it, make sure you watch this video again, as it is the very basic and core concept of cloud. In next video of this tutorial series, we will discuss about the SDN. Link for the next video is given in description section of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know what you think about this video in comment box. If you like this video, then press the like button. Subscribe our channel Funtastic Learning and click on bell icon to receive alert about our next video. Thank you.